Do you sometimes have the same conversations? You feel a little crazy because you feel like you're saying the same thing, but no one is listening. And I feel like that's the conversation we're having right now with AI. So if you've rolled out AI in the last couple of months and you've invested seven figures, maybe more in the rollout, you're in it. You've made some serious investments. And your whole business case rests upon one assumption at the end of the day is once the tools are implemented, people will use them and do their job differently, more efficiently. When we talk about these projects, we often get to the change management aspect. And the line item, let's say, is 200,000, maybe 500,000 of the budget. And almost every time, pretty much without fail, people say, well, I'll reduce that. It will be a part-time resource. Somebody within the company will do it who does change management. You're spending millions of dollars on the technology to get it implemented. And the one thing that determines whether you're going to be successful or not is normally cut or ignored. So what happens? Here's the normal scenarios that happens. Adoption stalls. People don't use the tool. The ROI never shows up. And partly because people aren't sure what the goal was. No one ever brought them through a journey. Everybody concludes it was the technology. AI didn't deliver. Wrong conclusion completely. AI didn't fail. Day two failed. So day one is launch day. Everybody works towards launch day. Everything is about getting that software in the hands of the people. Day two is the day after. That's when the technology lives in the business and the business actually has to run on it. That people need to do their jobs differently than they did prior to day two. Everyone plans for day one. Almost nobody plans for day two. And here's the part people miss. Even when companies fund change management, it's usually to get people to adopt the tool, not change how they actually work. So when you're thinking about AI and you're thinking about the job to be done, think about how AI and your humans are working together. Think about the job description that you're writing for that AI. And how does that change the job description that the humans are now doing? And how can you make that SOP, that adoption, that change sticky? Don't just bolt AI on top of everything. That's not transformation. That's old business spending a lot of money repeating the same problems. So if you spend $1 million on your team that never adopts the new way of working, you've just lost $1 million. If you spend $1.2 million and actually build an operating rhythm around it, you get new job descriptions, new processes, new metrics, a real cadence on how you run your business. You've gained way more than $1 million. That cost turns day one into day two. It's the difference between changing the way your business operates and runs versus the transformation failing. Tools don't transform organizations, rhythm does. People need a reason, a structure, a rhythm to change how they work, not just training on a new tool. And we help customers prepare for day two. Day two is really what you're gaining out of a transformational process. So if you're in a transformational process, you're looking to adopt AI, you're looking to run a major program, that's what we do. That's how we help people achieve success. So give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.